In this case, we're going to be taking the door handle trim off to go ahead and take a couple of extra screws out here. There's some trim that we're going to take off, and then we're going to take all of the plastic rivets and get the door card off. But let me go ahead and get the handle trim off, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so specifically for the E53, there's a couple of things we're going to have to do differently. And the rear door and the front door are very, very similar, with the exception of the front door. It has a little airbag where it has a little plastic cover right here that says airbag. You'll have a bolt right here that you want to pull that cover off, and I'll show you that in just a moment. But they're very similar in design. So first of all, you use a plastic trim tool to get underneath the grip here. Your grip will come off, and then you'll have a T30 bolt right here. You also have another T30 right here. Then, in addition, you want to get your plastic trim tool very carefully under your trim. And if you have this wood trim, be very careful and gentle when you pry up on it, because it can crack, and that would be a bummer, okay? It's on pressure posts here through the end and a hook on this side. So you don't want to pry up on this side. You actually want to very gently work your way down. And as you can see, this is loose. There's one more post right here because I wanted to show it to you with it on. But you can see the pressure posts. But this also covers another T30 right here that you're going to take out. And you've got a mixture of T30s in some places and T20s in the others. So make sure that you have both tools available. And then just work this the trim off. And then go ahead and take all those bolts out. Then we're going to use our plastic trim tool under the edge of your door card. Now, all the way around your door card are these big plastic rivets. So you'll want to work a plastic trim tool in. Don't use a metal tool. Work it in and gently pry until one of those rivets pops loose. And then what I usually do will work my hands and fingers in all the way down underneath the under arc to work my way around to work it off. That'll work the rivets all the way off, and then you'll just ease it off the top.